For decades, Huawei has been at the forefront of networking innovation, crafting solutions that empower connectivity worldwide. But how did it all begin? As one of the most recognized brands in the communications industry for more than 36 years, Huawei's expertise grew, earning its reputation as a trusted partner in building the backbone of global communications. Huawei has further invested in the router business for over 20 years and is recognized globally, serving over 100 plus customers. And today, Huawei is a leader in next generation Wi Fi solutions, pioneering Wi Fi 6 and stepping into the future with Wi-Fi 7. The company is no doubt number one in terms of contributions to the Wi-Fi 7 and Wi-Fi 6 patents and technologies. With advanced features like AI-driven optimization, seamless smart home integration, and unrivaled speed, Huawei routers are designed for modern home and office environments to suit everyone's digital lifestyle. So today we are going to show you three new routers from Huawei's lineup: the AX1, the AX3, and the BE3, which is currently connected. Now, as we all know, different home networks have varying needs: fast wireless internet speeds, big bandwidth for local file transfers, fast response times for PC or even mobile gaming, multiple channels for specific purposes, and an expanded network for wider signal coverage. And that's why we have all of these routers. So without further ado, I'm Jose from Yugatech, and in this video, we'll be walking you guys through all these routers, including that one, to figure out which one fits your needs at home or in the office the best. So roll that OBB and let's get started. Right off the bat, let's dive a little bit into Wi-Fi 7. First, speed. We all know that Wi-Fi 6 delivers impressive speeds, but Wi-Fi 7 takes it up to the next level, offering up to 46 gigabytes per second, which is nearly 4 times faster than Wi-Fi 6. Perfect for demanding tasks like 8K video streaming, cloud gaming, or even massive file transfers. Wi-Fi 7 is a game changer for latency. It uses multi-link operation, or MLO, to connect devices to multiple bands simultaneously, drastically reducing delays. This ensures smoother online gaming and better performance for smart devices. Both Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7 are built to handle multiple devices, but Wi-Fi 7 supports even more connections with greater efficiency. It's ideal for smart homes, offices, and IoT, Internet of Things ecosystems. Wi-Fi 7 introduces features like 320 MHz channels for higher data throughput, 4K QAM for improved data encoding, and automated frequency coordination, or AFC, for better spectrum sharing, making our networks faster and, more importantly, smarter. Wi-Fi 6 remains an excellent choice, offering a balance of speed and affordability for most users. But if we want to future-proof our network for the next generation of connectivity, Wi-Fi 7 is the way to go. We can expect almost zero latency when experiencing nearly 1 ms consistent ping times. And for that purpose, we have the Huawei BE3 Wi-Fi 7 router. Now, why it's there? That's because we're all currently connected to that router. This baby has a maximum speed of up to 3.6 gigabits per second, so we wouldn't have to worry even if we were subscribed to 1 gigabits per second fiber connection. And it's so easy to set up. Now, after plugging in the router to a socket for power, connect a LAN cable from the router's WAN port to a LAN port from your ISP's provided modem. And from here, we can even switch off Wi-Fi from the ISP's modem router combo so our bandwidth doesn't get split. Usually, there's a QR code printed at the base of the router, which we can scan to get the Huawei AI Life app. Once downloaded, we can finish setting up the router easily. Follow the steps to complete the configuration, and from there, you can set a new Wi-Fi name, password, and even admin password, and you're pretty much good to go. Additionally, if we can't access the app, we can enter the default IP address in a web browser with any device connected to the router to configure it from there. We highly suggest checking out some of the special features through the management portal or the AI Life app. Stuff like visualized Wi-Fi diagnosis and parental controls. All of these features are available with the Huawei Wi-Fi BE3, AX3, and AX1. Moving on, the AX1 is the base dual-band router that can handle speeds of up to 1,200 Mbps. On the other hand, the AX3 is a Wi-Fi 6 router that can handle speeds of up to 3 gigabits per second. It also has 4 1 gigabits per second LAN/WAN ports for fast wired connections. And the BE3 over there is our fastest Wi-Fi 7 router that can do as high as 3.6 gigabits per second and comes with a 2.5 gigabit per second LAN port along with 3 1 gigabit per second LAN ports. It also comes with 4 external antennas, just like these two, for better wall-through signal coverage. But that's enough about the numbers. Let's actually test the speed of these routers. For reference, we have an 800 megabytes per second connection here at the HUAWEI studio, but lately the internet has been very spotty, so it fluctuates once in a while. We'll also be using the Huawei Purus 70 Pro since it supports Wi-Fi 6 speeds of up to 9,600 megabytes per second, along with other devices I have right here. For reference, what we did is we hooked everything up to the BE3 and turned everything else into a mesh port. And as you can see, we got a constant speed of around 200 megabytes per second, which is not the fastest, but as I told you earlier, the speeds of our internet connection has been very spotty. And now we have the speeds from the BE3 directly. When I used my laptop to go through the speeds, it was a lot faster and a lot more stable throughout the time. At the start, it hit around 500 and then slowly went down to around 250 to 260, and it became stable from there. Now, we also went around the studio to see if we could get a good connection still with all 3 routers properly set up. As you can see, we were able to get around 200 Mbps as well, no matter where we are, whether it's a boss's office or in the TV, it was a constant connection. Now, as I mentioned earlier, which is what we did here, you can actually connect all of these routers to create a single mesh Wi-Fi network for your entire house or office, just like what we did. If set up properly, this means wherever you are in the house or office or wherever you are, you can always stay connected without having to connect to new points or Wi-Fi networks with different names seamlessly. With extended range and coverage for Wi-Fi blind spots, you might find yourself doom scrolling on the toilet forever. I mean, just look at what Earl's doing. Now, if you want something similar to our setup here at the HUAWEI studio, we suggest using the BE3 as the main router, and this one is connected directly to our stock ISP router. Then we set up the AX3 and AX1 routers in different parts of the house, preferably in areas where the BE3's Wi-Fi signal starts to fall off, like in the living room and in boss's office. That way, we were able to maximize our home network with seamless wireless internet connection easily and affordably. Yes, you heard it right, I did say affordably. If you go for the AX3, which only costs 2,999 pesos, and perhaps place one of these in the living room for streaming or the home office for large file transfers. Then we have the BE3 over there, the Big Daddy, which only costs 3,999 pesos. That's a Wi-Fi 7 router for under 4,000 pesos. And for me, that's a steal. All the great features you need are covered here: speed, security, easy installation, setup, and management. And you can trust that Huawei has very dependable products in our opinion. I mean, just look at our review of all the Huawei devices, including this phone. But wait, there's more. From December 5 to 15, we can get discounts on these routers for as much as 40%. So the AX3 can be had for only 1,799 pesos and the BE3 for just 2,499 pesos. So if you're thinking about upgrading your routers at home, this is a good deal and you should start thinking about it because, you know, it's cheap and affordable, good routers. Best of all, now we were able to finally set up that mesh network we always wanted to do but couldn't because of costs. These Huawei routers are among the best in class with all the useful safety features for your home network at very competitive prices. Want to know more about these routers? Go ahead and send your questions in the comment section down below and we'll be sure to answer it. Or of course, you can visit the Huawei website to know more. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.